Hey guys, welcome back to a new.
Sorry.
You
Agreed on channel.
Okay, well, now let's practice. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll just be like putting on makeup for Halloween, just for fun.
For fun?
Hey guys, it's me, and today I'll be doing my makeup for Halloween. This is me right now with my sister at the back, sitting right next to me. It all kind of started when I asked my mom if she would do makeup for my sisters and I for Halloween, and reluctantly she agreed. She first started by putting foundation on my face and then spraying this thing. Then she goes off with blending it all together, as you can see. So as she's blending it all together, my sister is telling me something about what happened in school, because I could easily get bored with sitting down in a chair for hours, not able to do anything. So as I wait for my mom to finish blending the foundation in, it kind of feels like hours because she's been taking so long to blend this foundation in. I kind of get tired, and as I was closing my eyes, I honestly almost slept. My sister is singing like my favorite song to me right now, so I'm laughing because she missed the lyric and my mom just tickled me with the brush. And right now, I went to look for a witness to see if they saw how beautiful I look, because with just base, I was so surprised how I could be eating with the makeup. I started feeling myself and started aura farming, like clock that, but now my mom is putting concealer after blending for centuries. So as I wait for my mom to find her beauty blender, she starts off with blending the concealer together. I feel like this process was shorter than the other. As my mom blends the concealer together, I couldn't really see anything that she was doing because first of all, I was closing my eyes, and secondly, I didn't have a mirror to like see how she was doing it, because like I'm not the one doing my makeup myself, so I can't really see what she's doing. So I think she puts the concealer in all the dark spots of my face, like under my eyes, where I could have like eye bags or dark spots. Not really dark spots, like eye bags. Now, I honestly don't know how or why she put it under my chin or like on my chin, but I'm just following the process. My sister in the background, on the other hand, is over there asking my mom which of the foundations would match her skin color. I honestly think with just this base and the contour my mom is doing right now, I look pretty good, but I have to wait till the makeover is done before I turn into the spooky goddess that I'm about to be. I try to give my sister that look that's, hello, I'm busy, could you please leave me alone? But I guess she wasn't taking the hint. Anywho, I look back at the mirror and see how pretty I look with just the base, and I start practicing my scary face when I have all my makeup done. Now my mom is blending in the concealer, highlighter, and contour together just to make sure everything is even and symmetrical on my face, because if you ask me, this side that she's blending in now was looking way lighter than the other side, so it was looking like I was bleached on one side and I was a bit dark, half light on one side. Now my mom is going off with more nose contour, at least I think she is, because I don't really do a lot of makeup. I don't really think I do makeup like that, but yeah, so she's blending everything in again. Hopefully this is the last time she'll be blending, because she always blends for so long, but I'm sure that the end result will be amazing. Now she's going off with the eyeshadow and the eye highlighter, so we can obviously see that she did black on one side and white on one side, so she did 2 different colors. I think it's obvious. So she's now going in on the white, on the dark side, like the black side, with some white highlighter, so it's gonna be like a mix match, like the opposite colors. So this one will have like a white cat eye, and the white side will have like a black cat eye. So right now I'm tempted to sleep, but I know if I sleep she won't be happy. So right now she's doing a cat eye with white on one side. My mom has now finished drawing a cat eye for the black side of my eye. So now that my mom is done drawing the cat eye for both of the eyes for mine, she's going in with gelling my eyebrows. As you can see, she is now doing my lip combo, and I can definitely tell you that I didn't expect this. I didn't know she'd be doing striped. I thought she'd be doing something glossy, classy, but here it is. It is spooky. It's scaring me, even though I'm the one wearing it. I can definitely say I didn't expect this. So now that we're done with my makeup, this is practically the final look for me. And I think I look pretty spooky. And yeah, this is the final look. Now we're on to my little sister's makeup. She's cleansing her face, or you can also say she's wiping her face with baby wipes. My mom is going in with foundation on her face, and it kind of looks like she's painting a canvas. Now my mom is spraying her face, so it's easier to blend the foundation all together. As you can see, now she's blending everything together. My sister looks like a mime. I don't even think I recognize her anymore. My mom has gone in with her beauty blender, but she's still blending the makeup in symmetrically. My mom should probably be almost done blending the makeup in, because I can't even recognize my sister. She's probably now at the end of the look. This is my sister's finished results. She is the Joker. Now we have some scary videos of my sister and I. My mom has gone in with the Seal It spray to set the makeup all together. It smells amazing. She's done my sister's now, and now we're waiting for the makeup look to be done. I am definitely so happy with the outcome of my sister and I's makeup looks, but I definitely think we were eating with these looks. Thanks for watching. Bye, Z's!